Yogyakarta, the city of education and culture, has its own stories and romances in every corner of the city. Each corner will bring us back to the memories that make us to always come back to the city of yearning. Yogyakarta has some traditional foods such as gudeg, mangut lele, lombok ijo, tempe bacem, and bronkos, which are findable in street food stall, lesehan, angkringan, home industry, and restaurant. But then, how can we fulfill our longing for these traditional foods when we are far away? Research and Development Division for Natural Materials Technology, Indonesian Institute of Sciences, has been developing packaging technology for ready-to-eat foods. Traditional foods are processed and packaged in cylindrical can, so it has longer period of shelf life and increased its value. The implementation of packaging technology developed consistently in the institution. The institution has been working along with partners to implement the packaging technology. They manage to process and package 42 kinds of traditional foods from all over Indonesia, such as mangut lele, lombok ijo, tempe bacem, tempe kari, bronkos. You haven't visited Yogyakarta if you haven't eaten gudeg. The cooking process of raw jackfruits using a stirred process was called ngudeg in Javanese. So, the traditional food produced was then called as gudeg by people of Yogyakarta. Gudeg is served with addition side dishes such as pindang egg, slices of chicken meat, krecek condiment, tolo beans, tofu, and tempe. This traditional food became an example of our canned traditional foods. Let us show you the process. First, cans are sterilized in autoclave. An autoclave used high-pressured, high-temperature steam as a sterilizing agent. Then in the filling step, gudeg are filled in cans. The next step then continued by exhausting and seaming process. After being tightly sealed, the cans go under another sterilization step using autoclave. This sterilization process is an essential step for the canned foods. After the sterilization process, canned food products are cooled down at room temperature and then quarantined for 2 weeks in sterile room for quality controlling. The cans are labeled and ready to be sold. The implementation of the technology is able to enhance the production capacity of canned foods and increase the sales turnover in Yogyakarta's traditional foods processing industries. Furthermore, these culinary industries are getting more knowledge on the hygiene, safety, and standardization of food processing technology. The packaging technology has received a certification of Good Manufacturing Process or GMP from the Indonesian National Agency of Drug and Food Control. In addition, canned traditional foods have received positive responses from many people. Yogyakarta will always be the city that feels like home. However, it's always been nice to be back to Yogyakarta, the city of yearning with the greatly delicious traditional local food.